I have stolen Kevin's camera, and I have come outside in an attempt to film his chickens, but they have run away. God damn it. Apparently there's a dog who likes to chase people out here, and I'm concerned about that because I have seen this dog before up close because I have been chased by it before. But it does not seem that there are any chickens. That truck is looking at me funny. Yo, Kevin.
What?
There's a weird truck outside and he's staring at me.
You're crazy.
There ain't no truck outside.
There's a truck outside.
There ain't no truck outside.
There was a...
I swear to God.
Wait.
Look.
Why the fuck are you doing that?
I guarantee you
Wait.
there ain't no truck outside. Boy.
Why are you talking in an accent?
I think you're going crazy. There ain't no goddamn truck.
What?
Now get your ass inside.
No, there was like a fucking white truck.
Get your ass inside.
I'm getting inside. Stop yelling at me. There was a truck outside.
What drugs are you on?
I'm not on drugs.
I think you're on drugs.
You guys are 3-year-olds.
This boy's on drugs, I'm telling you.
There was a fucking truck outside. And it was looking at me.
Okay, let's go outside to see this truck.
It's not there anymore.
I don't fucking believe it.
I was outside.
hallucinating.
I was outside looking for the chickens, looking for the dog, and this.
Okay, let's go.
Is this just like that black guy you were telling me about?
Why the fuck are you talking in an accent?
Who is Vlad? Yeah, there's nobody out here. But I swear, by the mailbox. Kevin? Kevin?
What? I swear to God.
Whatever, there's no truck.
Yeah, you're hallucinating. You fucking druggie.
Yeah,
I'm the druggie. I'm the druggie.
Yes.
Yeah, you're the
I'm the druggie.
You're the druggie.
Fine.
I can take any